Mr. Gary Valenciano!
Darren Espanto!
Thank you po, of course. Kuya Eric, Tito Ogs, Tito Gary, maraming salamat po for being part of my 10th anniversary concert. Grabe po, kayo po talaga ilan sa mga taong bata pa lang ako. I've been watching you guys. Isa po kayo sa mga inspirasyon ko. Sa lahat, maraming salamat, Tito Ogs. Nakikita niyo po, napakaklingi talaga namin. Pero, hindi po talaga ako nagkamali sa mga iniidolo. You know, you inspired a lot of us, not just here in the music industry, but also in my personal life. Maraming salamat po. Thank you so much for being an inspiration.
You know, I think that at this point, Darren, you're standing on this stage, and you are the inspiration for many of us.
Yes.
Many of us.
Tingnan mo naman, grabe ang tangkad yung tatlo, no? Oo, nakita ko rin eh. Alam mo, Darren, nalulula ako. Nalulula ako doon sa taas. Hanggang nalulula ako sa dami ng nagmamahal sa'yo. Grabe.
Grabe. Darren, I just have to say, thank you for not calling me Tito. Maraming salamat dahil Kuya lang.
Tito Eric, Tito Gary, Kuya Ogie.
Next time po.
Huwag natin binabago ang script, Kuya. Hindi, alam mo, everybody with me na you are the best male performer of your generation.
Ow!
Tama, di ba? Kaya, alam mo, ang advice ko lang sa'yo is to just continue to hone your craft, continue to love the people who love you. Ang dami-dami nila, grabe. And continue to love what you do. And you will go places even more.
Maraming salamat po.
Ako gusto ko paglaki ko. Nakakatawa yun? Gusto ko maging katulad mo. You're such a good person. You're so humble. You're so hardworking. Napakasipag mo ito. Napaka-generous. Keep being the way you are. We love you, Darren. We love you.
Salamat dito.
You know, I think one of the most important things tonight is that kaya nandito silang lahat dahil maliban sa pagiging extremely good looking,
Wow!
I think more than that is that nararamdaman mo siya.
Nagmana po ako sa inyo.
Mabuti, alam mo. Ganun talaga.
Banda rito eh. Banda rito.
Banda dito naman tayo. Dito naman tayo sa kanilang lahat eh. No, what I want to say is that I think one big reason why people love you and people of all ages are here tonight, but it's because of this, Darren. It's your sincerity, it's your authenticity sa ginagawa mo on stage. And that's not easy to come by nowadays. You are not here to impress people, you are here to just express what's in your heart. At parang nadadama nilang lahat yan. I've been around for 40 years, and you're around for 10 years. I'm hoping I can still be around on your 40th year.
Wow! Oo naman po.
Because you're still going to be strong, if not even stronger than you are today.
Thank you po.
So proud of you talaga.
Thank you po. It really means so much. I would have never imagined again na, syempre, I'd be on the stage with all three of you. It means so much. Maraming salamat po ulit from the bottom of my heart for saying yes to being a part of my 10 years, for celebrating it with me here tonight. Thank you po. Okay.
You're very, very
Congratulations.
Salamat po. Ayan, Araneta! Once again, give it up for Mr. Eric Santos!
Thank you!
Mr. Augie Alcacid! And Mr. Gary Valenciano! Maraming salamat po. Thank you guys so much.
Congrats, Darren.
Thank you.
Dito natin concert ni Darren to, Kuya.
Grabe kang bata ka. Grabe.
Mas grabe po kayo, syempre. Sa royalty coach ko yan. Sarah Heroico.
Darren, ikaw ang nag-coach sa akin sa The Voice Kids.
Maraming salamat
I love
po.
you,
Of
Darren.
course, Ate Sana, thank you so much for making this dream collaboration come true. And maraming salamat po syempre for, you know, all the tips and everything you've taught me.
Wala yun!
Yeah.
Lahat yun!
Opo, share ko lang po. Of course, when I invited Coach Sara to be part of my 10th anniversary, talagang nag-yes po talaga siya agad. And it means so much to me.
Kunin ko lang yung towel mo.
Ah! Thank you po.
Hi, Sir Song!
Thank you po. Thank you po.
I just wanna say, Darren, nahihiya mo na ako magsalita. Pero, Darren, mahal na mahal ka namin. We all know how amazing you are as an artist, as a vocalist. You are amazing. Pero, what made me love you so much more is your heart. Grabe yung puso mo, Darren. Every time I would see you, napaka-genuine ng happiness lang every time na nakikita tayo. Sobra akong bilib na bilib sa'yo, sa humility mo, Darren. Mahal na mahal kita, mahal na mahal ka namin. At alam kong maraming dekada pa ang tatagal mo dito sa industriya. If you remain humble, despite your greatness.
Thank you po.
I love you.
I love you too. Maraming salamat. I love you so much. Thank you po. Grabe. Thank you. Give it up once again for Sara Geronimo. Wow! Who would have thought makakapag-mashup ang aming mga kanta na bibitaw na at alam? Nagustuhan niyo po ba yung mashup na yun? Gusto niyo bang i-release namin officially? Yay! Survey? Pero, again, maraming salamat po to my fellow family and for all the support. Yeah. Kaya naman, I want to ask you guys before anything else. Araneta, do you guys want more? All right, we'll give you more. It's nice to look back on the past. Kaya naman gusto kong magpasalamat siyempre sa The Voice of the Philippines, of ABS-CBN. Thank you so much. You will always have a special place in my heart. And for me, that's where it all started po talaga eh. Kung wala po yung The Voice, I don't know what, where I would be now. Kasi yun lang talaga yung gusto kong salihan at the time. And that's really where my journey began. If I were given a chance to start on this journey again and repeat it, I would want to repeat it all the way from The Voice Kids, all the way from my blind auditions. Kung saan po ako nakilala. Yun nga po 10 years ago, I've met so many wonderful people through the show. From the staff, to the crew, yung iba pong staff ng The Voice Kids, nandito po, hindi ko lang po alam kung nasan kayo, but thank you so much for spending your evening with me. Thank you for the past 10 years. And syempre, even fellow contestants turned into lifelong friends. Kaya naman, maraming salamat po to The Voice Kids. And of course, to our coaches, sa Season 1, Coach Rhea, Coach Babu, Coach Sara, maraming salamat. And tonight is a night of reminiscing, going back, celebrating my 10th anniversary. And it's also a great time for reunions. Kaya naman, ladies and gentlemen, The Voice Kids Philippines Season 1 Grand Champion, Laika Gairano.